A snapshot is like a backup of virtual machine at a particular point in time. It captures the VM state, disk data and configuration. So you can return to that exact state if you need it. In snapshot process, we'll take our fresh new CentOS snapshot and then we'll install NGINX and take a snapshot from here, and we'll revert back a new CentOS by using snapshot. First, let's take a snapshot of our clean CentOS. Click on VM, then go to snapshot and click take snapshot. When the prompt appears, give your snapshot a name. I will call mine new CentOS. You can add an description if you'd like. Let's check if NGINX is installed on the system. Run the command systemctl status NGINX. As you can see, NGINX is not installed. Now let's install NGINX using dnf command sudo dnf install NGINX. Once it's installed, start the NGINX service with sudo systemctl status NGINX. Now that NGINX is installed, let's take another snapshot. Go to VM, snapshot, take snapshot and name this one CentOS NGINX. Let's revert the VM back to the original clean state. Go to VM, snapshot, snapshot manager. The snapshot manager window will open. Select the snapshot name new CentOS and click the go to button. The VM will now revert back instantly. To confirm the revert, run the same command again, systemctl status NGINX. As expected, NGINX is no longer found. That means the revert back is successful. Now let's switch back to our NGINX installed state. Open snapshot manager, select CentOS NGINX snapshot and click go to, and just like that NGINX is back. Using snapshot is a powerful way to test changes and safely roll back our system in a second. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe